Yeah, it's low. Do I have desktop audio? I don't need desktop audio. Why do I need that? Now, can I hear myself? Why is my voice too low? Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Okay, my voice is way too low. Oh shit. Okay. Why? Okay, why is it way too low? Oh my god, I'm. Do I need to change the mic? What? Okay. Okay. For now, it's good. Yeah, it's decent. It's decent. It's not better, but it's decent. Okay. Anyways, I'm live. Okay. So hello everybody. My name is Speckles, and yeah, welcome to the stream. So basically, what I'm gonna do is just I've been working on a small project game. So it's basically a game which I got inspired from a boss from Terraria. So if you guys don't know it, let me show you guys. Yeah, yeah, I will take this over here, and we just hit torchgod Terraria. Okay, so basically, what this all means is that how do I explain it? Okay, this is good. So you'll have an arena like thing like this. For example, like, these are platforms you can walk and just dodge this. These are the torches. So there will be many torches. Everything will be like shooting you one by one, or maybe like there will be intervals between. So all you have to do is dodge it. You have to dodge around like 95 to finish that round. So I kind of like liked it very much since it's like in the early game boss, and it gave me like I did like around like 50 tries or something, which was kind of like okay, I really enjoyed it. So I was like, you know what, why not make it as a game? Yeah, why not? So yeah, here am I. Okay, so for now I did some basic movement and got this free asset from the Unity asset store, and did some just the basics. Okay, I'll show you that. Nothing really good, really nothing. So just did that to the left and right movement, got a jump, made the animations. Animations are not kind. See, the animation not really playing the way I wanted it to, but it'll do for now because I actually need to see what's wrong over here. I'm not sure. I did my best, but no, okay, not I really do anything over there. I still need to make this good. But yeah, for now the base works, but I still need to like can run jump. Oh yeah, okay, running jump. Okay, so yeah, but still the stream current bitrate is low, slower than the recommended bitrate. We recommend. Wait, why is it low? Why is it low? Why is it low? Why is the bitrate low? How do I change it? Settings, stream. How do I change it? I have no clue. Okay, recording bitrate. How do I change the bitrate? How? What is the? Oh my god! I never streamed in my life before. Why is it not easy? How much bitrate should I need to stream in YouTube? Recommend. Okay, okay, just relax, guys. I will quickly fix this out. What the hell is this? For that is not showing in my OBS. It's showing totally something different. Oh, never mind. It's showing the same thing. 8 to 12. I have like 2500, which is like 8. It's way more than Mbps, I think so. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. OBS, please. So, oh, you need like 6000. 1080, 60 FPS is like 4000. Between 4000. Okay, I can do 5000. I think so. I don't know. I have a decent GPU. Okay, apply. Now it should probably fix it. I hope so. I'm not sure. It's still showing me that, but the current bitrate is blah 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 is lower than the recommended bitrate. We recommend using the bitrate. Oh, 6008. They even told it. Okay, just a second, guys. OBS, yeah, settings and output here. Let's just do 7000 then. My system can handle 7000. I hope so. Not sure. Okay, so it should be good. Okay, anyways, okay, so yeah, we have the moment ready, we have things, and we have a lot of things to do. So what I am planning to do is, and Okay, so basically we have to get a level, but before making a level, I want to make a. Hey, your current bitrate is 5000. No, I had it 7000. What? Anyways, okay. Eh, so we need multiple layers of ground first. That's like the point one. So let's just have it like this, and this is also a ground. And also, please, can you go here? Not there. Can you go here? Thank you so much. So I will have my scene view over here. Okay. So for now, I don't care. Now, what I really don't know how to do is, if he jumps, he should go above this. Okay, will he go though? Let me just check it. I have no idea, but I'm just new. Oh, okay. So he does go here, but he doesn't go down. That is something we need to. Sure. Okay, so if I want to go up, I can go up. I can actually leave it like that. Do I even need to work on that? No. But it's still not really the best. I think if I give more jump force, it will work. So yeah, this is working, I guess, but it's not working the way I wanted it to. Also, you can't even see the plane from down here. I kind of needed like a platform, so probably a cube or something, I guess. I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm just gonna test it out a few things and yeah, do it. So let's do this. Da 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 da. We can scale it to 0.3, I guess. Okay, not bad actually. Then I want to scale this to 10 and 10. Okay, and yeah, pretty decent, pretty decent. So let's just, this won't work. I'll just say this will not work. So it's going to hit that. Also, the jump is not really good. I need to play around a lot. Okay, so how do I do this? Basically, I need to go above this. So, hey Siri, I didn't call you. Please shut up. Okay, never mind. So this is not gonna work. But if I do is trigger on, I can go up, but I can't stay there. So this is one way of doing it, I guess. Also, I need more jump boost, please. So what I'm thinking of is, I'm just gonna have like 4 platforms in overall. Why don't I just create 4 platforms, set is trigger to true every single time, and once I jump, I turn this on, and once my jump is over, I turn it off. Will it work? I have no clue. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a game manager, or no, should I do a game manager or level manager? I'll do a level manager, why not? Okay. What is a level manager? So basically I will have everything related to this level in this thing, and I'll also create this as an instance so I can use this as a reference to multiple, because the path is going to be same, so we can easily reference it. Nothing too big of a deal, I guess. So okay, we are gonna go to scripts here. I just have a player script that I just created. It's not much. It's just like the basic things. I'll just show that as well. So also just a second, guys. Taskbar settings. I hate my taskbar being like this, and taskbar behavior, automatic hide. Thank you. No, thank you. Okay, please, can you? So just a basic thing, jumping, then yeah, moving left and right. When you should turn left, when you should turn right. The direction vector. Well, I'm using the Unity's new input system, by the way. Then yeah, nothing much. Apply horizontal movement, jump if a request, blah 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 blah. Nothing much. Okay, that's it. Nothing really. Yeah, this is. I think I might need to do a different one than this. I kind of want to see how Unity 3D character movement works. So maybe I'll get some idea from it. So yeah, this is the basic character movement. Nothing else. Nothing too big or small. Just that's it. And this is what the hell is. So I just want to check it. Anyways. So now we're gonna create a script which is it's gonna call a level manager. So what before that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go. Oh wait, it's compiling. Yeah, let it compile. I'm not gonna touch it. Yeah, compile. Okay, is my stream going good? Am I audible though? My voice is actually way too low, not gonna lie. Okay. My voice is way too low in that. I have no clue. Maybe I need to change my mic. So we will create an empty pattern called managers. Okay. Inside that we will have all the manager, game manager, level manager, blah 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 blah. Okay. So first thing what I'm gonna do is get the platforms. Now this is gonna be the base platform. You can't go below this. So this will always be like this. Good. So these things are the one which I'll be changing. So what I'm gonna do a list of platforms. So I'll just say a public list, and what I'm gonna do is should I get a game object? Yeah, why not? Game object, and we'll just call it platforms. PLATFORMS. Yeah. So now we got list. Now this doesn't work because we need to do this public unity. I hope so this is right. Unity engine dot generic collections. You don't do this like this. What? Unity? Why is this unit dot framework is always there? I don't need that. So how do I do collection? I don't know, man. Where is Google? I forgot. Okay. Unity list. I'll just do this list and dictionary. No, not this, please. Someone, hey. Can I just get the headers, please? Thank you. No, I don't need this. I just need the header. I keep forgetting the headers a lot. I mean, it's not really thing. So yeah, you need this. Systems, okay. Get these. Not close this, so I don't need you. And I'll put this, and now it works. Good. So we got a list of things right now. Now it's also public, right? Okay, perfect. Now before that, let's create this as a instance as well. So public static level manager and instance. Okay, now this is good. Now I'll also do a check every single time because I don't want multiple instances creating. So what I'm gonna do is void evic, and inside it I'm gonna say if instance double equal to null, then instance equal to this. I'll just do this. Now actually I learned this from Sebastian Greaves. He does like Souls game tutorials. He just check it out, man. If you are into Souls game like me, check that out. He does way too good. I highly recommend him because I learned some way good stuff from him. Good practices. I won't be much using them because I totally forgot them. But he does good tutorials. Yeah. So follow him, check him. But yeah, I learned this from him, which is a good thing. Alright, so we got platforms. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, why do I have my Discord open? I mean, I don't mind having it, but okay. Yeah, coming here. So if I go here, there will gonna be multiple platform. What I'm gonna do before that is gonna create some more okay, like a platform. I just want to test it before I create a level. So just creating a white box to see if everything works. Okay, is trigger is on. So I just wanted to see if I can jump above this. Okay, yeah, great. Now what I'm gonna do is this is gonna be platform. Let's just name everything as platform. And over here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create an empty parent over here called platforms. Okay, so gonna go to this level manager. I'm going to log this, open this. I think I can just drag and drop this. Yeah, I can just do that. Okay. Now we got all the platforms over here. So we can also access these platforms from my player. So what I am going to do, why am I saying gonna? Oh damn, I don't even speak that way. But anyways, I have no idea where. Okay, so when I jump, I need to turn them all off, and once like I finish jumping for maybe like 1 second or 2 seconds, I need to make the colliders go off. So how do I do that? Where am I having the jump? Okay, I'll have like, no, this is jump preference. Is jump pressed false? Where is this? Where is the reference? And not is jumped. Okay, if it's jumped and is grounded, do these. And here I have to turn them off. And modify gravity for better jump falling. I think I can, if linear velocity or y greater than, yeah, I can probably use it over here. Wait, what is these two? I have no idea what are these two. Oh, fall multiplier. Oh, okay, okay, that makes sense. Hmm. So I have to check this. So okay, so basically what I can do is I can create like a float boolean function probably, and send a return value to see, just turn them on, turn them off. Is that a good way? You know what, first I'll just create something stupid. So let's just say void void, let's keep it platforms. Okay, I have no idea what to name it. So forms on, let's just, I'm just gonna keep it a basic thing like this because I have no idea what to keep for this. So in this function what I need to do is just get all my, so for each game objecto in level manager dot instance, so we are gonna get from the, and dot we are gonna get the platforms for game for each. How does for each work for game object? Game object, I need to give a reference name, so let's just say platform in. So it's going to take every single platform, I hope so, because I think that's what for each do. That's I'm still getting hang of it. I kinda like forget things, but yeah, okay. So every single platform I'll get one by one, and what I need to do is I need to get its. Why do I need to game object though? I can just directly get the. Okay, you know what? I personally like to do this. So variable temp. I'm gonna. Oh my god! What did I just do? Okay. I'm gonna create a var temp, and that's gonna have the platform dot get component, and I'm gonna get the. What am I gonna get? I'm going to get. Wait, what? Am I blind or what? This is a cube, right? Oh, so okay, I forgot that. I was like, where are the misrendered and where are the collider? I was like, huh? And I totally forgot that I logged that level manager over there. Okay, so we got it. So we are gonna get this box collider. So box colliders. So we will get every single box collider. Good. What I'm gonna do is temp dot is trigger is equal to false. Now this is what I wanted to do. So instead of getting false or true, I think I'm gonna just get a bool value. So okay, so bool. No, I hate naming, man. I'm bad at naming. So what should I do? This boolean name is like on off. So I'm gonna say TG trigger bools. Okay, just, you know what? Okay, also this is small, please. And I'm gonna use the trigger bool over here, so it can either be false or true. You know, whatever comes here, it will go here. I can also do, instead of creating a function like this, I can just create a boolean function, which can be better, or it's a good way, but I'm not really like fluent with those, so I'm just gonna do for this. Maybe I'll change it later. So now we got the temp, so we are gonna set it over here. So if false come here, it's gonna be false. If it's true, we can true. We can get it true. So we just need to call this in two ways, two places. One is here, because this is where I'm gonna get my jump. So what is the function name? This is bad. This is bad. Okay, so what I can call this is turn platform on off. Okay, you know what? I can't think of anything better than this. So yeah, so turn off, and we're gonna send in false. Okay, and once it's done, modify gravity by using less than 0. If my linear velocity is 0, also I have to see, man. I have no idea what it is. Okay, so what it does. So our trigger is over here. I'm gonna go into play mode. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so every single time that happens, which is not really. I need like more time to work. Hmm. So should I like have it on hold and see when I can do that? Probably. You know what? That could be a good way to do that. So where is my this is the player input, right? Now this is a button. So yeah, I think I need to do it on hold. Hey, what is this? I have no idea. Okay, interactions hold. I have no idea what that means. So I need to like test few things and see that. I'm kind of like this is also like a good learning for me. So maybe I'll just check. No, I don't need you, please. Can I? So if I hold, it's getting. Oh, that's what it mean by hold. So that is not what we needed. So it waits for 0.5 seconds to see if I'm holding it or not. What I need to do is I need to hold my space bar. So if I can do this in old Unity system, but I kind of want to learn new, so I just kept it. Okay, save asset, blah blah blah. I could not defend. I don't care. Okay, so the thing is, what we planned is good. Okay, what I'm gonna do is the place I'm turning this on is wrong. Actually wrong. I think so. Okay, so no. So let's just comment it for now. So this works the way I want. So when I basically jump, it turns off. Okay, actually I need to check even that's working. What? It's not working? Whoa, whoa, whoa. This trigger is not turning on. Why? Because I'm falsing it. I'm an idiot, man. I'm an idiot. It's my fault, okay? It's my fault, okay? I didn't check it. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have it false over here. Oh, did I like I think it did the vice versa. That's why it didn't work. So, okay, so it's gonna go like that. Now what I'm gonna say is, I was so dumb over there. Okay, this is gonna be false. I understood it the wrong way. Maybe this will work. Probably. Probably not. I don't know. And if I play, oh, it works. Holy bro! I think I'm a game developer. I think so, man. You know, I think I'm a game developer. I'm a game developer, man. Okay, so this is at 0, 0. This is a minus 6.5612. What? What? Why is it minus? Oh, 3, 6. This is problem. Okay, anyway, so wait. I kind of want to see this. Why did it jump about that though? Okay. Oh, because it didn't have the ground tag. My bad. So because yeah, this has no, not tag. The heck? Oh, the layer. I've been using the layer. I didn't use the tags. Okay, that makes sense. So now, jumping's ready. I think so. Okay, it's janky, but no, it does not. I'm not going for perfection right now. I'm just going for. Oh, it's perfect. And when it's falling, oh my god, I'm good. I'm great. Okay, that actually what I needed. It works. Okay. So now we have a functionality to go above the platforms. So you know, in order to dodge, you don't have to go from left or right. You can also jump into between platforms and move, giving player the freedom. So that's good. Oh my god, my right just hurts. I don't know why. Ah, god damn it. Okay, so now what I have to do is that I need a way to go down. So when I press yes, I need to go down. Now this is something tricky because what I need to do is I need to get an input. Now I don't need a. I just need like wait. Why do I have ST over here? This is. Do I even need these? Wait. Can I like. Will this work? I'm just curious, okay? I'm just curious. Maybe I did try it and it didn't work, so but I don't know, man. Let's just try this. We just go here. Okay. Oh yeah, it doesn't. Why the D doesn't work? What? Why only A works? What? Did I delete the wrong one? W. Oh, I did. I did. So no, I don't need W, bro. I need A for left. Can you like come here and listen to this D, and can you go to a right? Thank you. So it works. Okay, this is perfect. Now I don't need vector 2 for my next thing. I just need a button press to see whether I'm pressing S. That's it. So before that I'll just test it because this is important more than S. Okay, so I can move. Good. I can go up, climb up. But there is one problem though. There is a problem over here which I'm seeing it. So oh, actually it's kind of meh. I think I have an idea to fix this. Just reduce the size of the platform. It's easy as that. I think I'll do that, but I'll go for the perfection later. Okay, this is just I'm just going to first finish the entire game and level, then we can perfect it one by one, because there are a few things in the checkbox which I haven't told you guys, but yeah, it's in my mind. I should have probably told it. It would be better to create a GDD and show you guys, but this is just a small project and I didn't just create it for fun because I want to make it. So yeah, I'm not gonna stop anywhere. Also, what? Wait. Just a second. Am I doing something wrong? Oh, why is this empty? Just a second, guys. Yeah, quality stream, nothing. I'm just saying just a second. Okay. Anyways, coming back. Now, I've been seeing a lot of anyways, right? Damn, I need to stop it. Okay, so what I need to do is, when I press yes, I need to check whether layer is ground, but I also don't want it to be this. That is something. How can I do that? I mean, I can have a different tag and just see if it can do that again, but is that a good way? Also, please, can you come here? I don't need you right now. Okay, for now, you know what? I'm thinking a lot. Thinking is not good for health, so I'm just gonna go here, and I'm gonna go down. For now, let's just go down. It's gonna be this. I'm gonna delete that. So go down is gonna be a button. Yeah, it's gonna be a button. Then I'm gonna add a binding. I'm gonna say yes, and that's it. We just gonna get this key. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save this, and I hope it works the way I wanted it. So it's gonna be similar to that, I guess. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is public input action fall reference. So now I can get the fall reference over here. Let's give it. Do I have it in my player? I think I don't feel happy having it over here, but okay. So here we will have oh, that's a lot of. I really need to create this good. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna. What is this? This is the fall reference. Okay, so yes, we got the fall reference over there. Now, when do we fall? That's a good question. When am I going to fall? So even when I'm falling, I need to do an animation for fall animation, but I'm not worried about fall animation for now because I just need to do this. Okay, so let's think about this. Okay, now if I'm falling down, my floor should be, each trigger should be off or on. Okay, each trigger should be on, and once like I finish falling, it should be turned on. So why don't I just use the same thing? No, not that one though. But you know, wait, don't I have a normal jump? I just have a run jump. That's I'm just noticing with that. Okay, so what I need to do is when jumping, or then I press this button. Huh. Now the real question is, there can be only one on enable, right? So what is on jump released? I do need both, I guess. Yeah, I do need both as well. So what I'm gonna say is, I'm gonna go what is the fall reference, right? Yeah. So we're gonna fall reference dot action dot when it's performed. I'm gonna call a function called on fall performed or pressed. Yeah, pressed. I'll just keep the things same. I don't want to like confuse a lot, so it will be easy to reference later if I need it. And when it's cancelled, I'm gonna say on fall released. Good. We're gonna copy both of these, and we're also gonna do this, and we're gonna keep the minus over here. And okay, now we need to create this function. So I will create over here. It's private void ta-dang, ta-dang. Oh, that's wrong. Input actions dot callback context, and we're gonna do that next. And that's one. We're gonna copy that again, and I'm gonna do this, and this is gonna be released on fall. And the chat cover the errors. Okay. So what I got do right now is when pressed, I need to call this, right? Yeah, I think I will do that. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna send when I press it, I want it to be true. Yeah. Now this will might give me an error, I think so. I mean, not error, but bugs. I feel like it. Not sure though. I'm not sure though. Okay, you know what? Let's test it out. Let's test it out. Let's not think too much. It's a lot, okay? It's a lot to take in. So I'm not actually like. Okay, so I'm pressing. It's nothing happening. Right, on pressed is true. Yeah, I just made it true. Why not? Something is wrong, right? Oh, I see the problem. I think I see the problem. That is, I did it wrong. So is jump pressed? So I'm doing the things over here. So I need to call it over here. But I don't want to mess with that. That's what I'm worried, because this is gonna be a pain later. So instead of having there, I think I will create a bool to work with it, I guess. So below this, I'm also going to create a private bool underscore is. What the hell? Okay, no. Is fall press. I'm going to say it's false at start. So when this is true, that's when I actually thought this will work, but sadly it didn't work. So this is going to be false. This is going to be false. This is going to be true. And god. And let's remove these. Also, I'll just say it again. I'm not a professional, okay? So I'm still learning. I'm still on my learning stages. I'm just decent with Unity, not the best, but decent. You can make games, yeah. So now is pressed is false. So what I'm gonna do is, fall functionality. Yeah, let's just keep it like that. So if I can just do this, right? Not jump press, please. Here's fall. Oh my god. Is fall pressed? Then do something. Else if underscore is fall. If not, where is the not operator? Okay, here is it. Then do something. That's it. So when this is there, I just need to call this. So when I press it, I'm gonna need that. And once I finish pressing it or disable, I'm gonna false it. Yeah, that probably works, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. I'm also getting hungry. Object reference is not set to an instance of an player. What is it? Oh, that. I'm not even pressing a button. What do you mean? Oh, actually, I did it in play mode. Okay, my bad. I was like, why is this guy? I didn't even press my space button. Okay, yeah, good. So now he's not even jumping. What? Why? Okay, my thing's not working. What? Oh, I see the problem. This will always be turned on. So that is a pain. So I need to get another boolean value. I can do it right that way. But how does this works then? Because because we are also checking the linear velocities over here. That is how it works. What is this grounded though? Oh, I'm just checking whether it's. So I can also do this. Probably, yeah, I can do that as well. So if is grounded and is pressed, do that. But this will work even without that. This is not my problem. I am not looking at this one. I am just seeing this because this function, this is being called. You know why? How I say how it works? Like I'll just give a debug log so you can get a clear thing. He works. Yeah, let's just do it. So if I play it, he works is gonna play. So that is why this is always being turned on. Turned off. Okay, that turned off. Yeah. So if you go here, see, I was right. So we need to only run this function if it's not pressed. Oh, this is not. This is gonna be a pain. So basically, when I press yes, I need it. Once it's done, just make it false. That's it. That's one time. God. What I did here was, we have linear velocity, we can check it. So maybe I can do the same as well over here. If RB, the linear velocity is, yeah. And I think so, probably. I don't know. I need to check it. I'm not sure whether that will work. This will work. But maybe it can work because I'm seeing, like there's no linear velocity when it comes down. So it goes here and he works. He keeps working, which I don't need. Why is he keep working? Because the linear velocity is less than 0. Makes sense. So you're telling me even this does that? No, what? Wait. I need to check it. Let's take this. I really didn't think that means even that is going function. That function is playing all the time. Oh no, it probably won't. If I'm no, it will. It will. It should. Yeah, it should. No, it only works one time. What? Bruh, what? It only works one time because the linear velocity. Oh, I don't understand what is vector 3 up, physics gravity that way, multiplication. So going up direction, multiplying the gravity in y direction, which is up, and we are multiply fall minus 1. I don't understand, but yeah, I can get what it's trying to say. So you're telling me this is the problem then in that case. And if this doesn't work, I have one more thing in my sleeve, I think, probably. I think, not sure though, I think. Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah, I think I got it. Wait, what? I didn't even press yes. Why is this trigger is on? Linear velocity is great. Distance false. It's getting true. Why did it get true? Because his fall is pressed, it became true. But then it didn't become. Oh, that could make sense. Okay, anyways, what I thought was, let's remove this. Just if linear, just turn it off. You know what? That's it. Now, on press and on release, we have a false, true and false. Okay, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. Oh my god, I'm stuck here. What? Should I use ChatGPT for it to get an idea? Probably. Yeah. Oh, sheesh. I'm not even pressing yes. What? Why is it turning on at the initial stage? No. When I press A or D, it turns on. What? Why? Your button is not even that. Wait. I shouldn't be stuck like this. You know what? I'm just actually gonna remove it. Gonna ask ChatGPT, my boy. You know, he will give some good ideas. Yeah, that is the problem. You know what? I think this is. I'm doing something wrong. I'll guess get an inspiration. Okay. Okay, so we remove that, we need to remove these, and yeah. So for now, I'm just gonna copy this code. I'm gonna get this. I hope so that ChatGPT works. Now what? Let's just go here. Now I have an idea, but just okay. So did I remove it? Okay, yeah, good. Now, you know, this is prompt engineering, my guys. I am bad at it, but still, yeah. So I am getting, this is not how you do to ChatGPT. Okay, this is not prompt engineering. I'm not a prompt engineer, so don't blame me. So I'm getting fall reference from input system. When I press it, I want to turn on is trigger of game objects, we can say platforms, and once I release, I want to turn it off again, right? Turn it off, yeah. To implement a behavior where press and releasing fall reference toggles the history state of a platforms, you need we got it. Okay, we did that. Handle OS trigger, yeah, we didn't I do that? Okay, you know, it's just the same thing. I was right. I was so good. There's nothing wrong. I was just better, but not the best. But anyways, he tells me to do this, and yeah, we did this. Then what? I mean, I didn't do that. I just did this. I really didn't do that. Huh? Why do I need this? What are these? Will that even? Didn't I do that to the first try? What? I remember doing that, but what? Wait. Wow. I actually did this, but it didn't work. Also, I'm getting hungry as hell. It's not working. See? Only this works. Wait, did I? Put the input wrong, probably. Wait, what did I do this? Spacebar key, nothing. Yeah, the same. Holy. You know what? I'm actually going to take a little break. I'm way too hungry. I'll get my food and come. I'll be back. And I am back, I guess. Okay, I am back with some snacks because there's no food in my house right now. Damn. Oh. Some board be a fall button override plus falling auto. I mean, firstly, the code you sent is not working. I don't know why. It's not working. I have assigned yes, and when I press it, it's not working. What? Is that so? Really? Is that so? I never knew that. Is that even a thing? What? Is this even really a thing? Wait, just a OBS, where are you? Can you guys hear my eating sound? Good, you can't. Okay. I did. maybe I didn't. Oh, this I might have missed it over here. Okay, why are you like this? Ah, that was my bad, guys. My bad. Now it should work. So I was actually right at the first time, okay? I was right. I didn't do it wrong. I just gave it a wrong reference, probably. No, it's not working here. Come on. Okay. Let's debug. I'm sorry if my voice is like this. I'm eating. I'm not gonna say you do this as a private. I'm gonna serialize it. Now, I'm gonna is jump. That's not what I need yet. Okay, I need this. Wait, is press is equal to false? I'm not even using this. Okay, let's serialize it. Now it should be in the inspector because I want to see whether this is turning on and off first. What? Okay, it's pressed. It's fall pressed. Okay. So yes, I am pressing the fall. Okay, I am pressing the S button. It works. This is EAD and this is the S. Okay. So I am indeed getting the output. Now, if is pressed, do something. If is not pressed, do something. Okay, so now they should turn on. Let us come back to the turn off later. Yeah, for now, it should turn on. Well, what? Okay, yes, it works. Now the thing is, why it's not going below this? Why not? But anyways, we got that. You know what I did is because I. Oh, now this is a problem though. I have to do something about this. Maybe make his movement a bit fast too. And also, it's not really like. If I press it once, I need it like it should go down. You can't just dodge it like that. So probably need to give it something different or make the player collider go off for a few seconds or 1 second or something. So again, this is decent, which I needed. Okay. Why didn't this work in the first time though? That's what I'm curious. Probably because I referenced it wrong. Because when I press A, it still worked. So I think I referenced it wrong at first time. So yeah, now it's good. So I was not wrong at first. I was actually in the correct track. Okay. So for now, fall is ready. But I still have no real idea why it's not. You didn't go below this. When I press over yes over here, it didn't go down. You know what? You know what? It's actually good because I needed that. So you know, we don't question if it works. Okay, just that's it. Actually, I need a reason. So it's press, it's fall. Oh, I was dumb. These are the ones I gave in the function. I didn't give this one, so that's why it didn't even check this. It didn't turn this color off. So yeah, that was good. I did good. So you will never fall below the ground level, which is exactly what we needed, and that's perfect. Okay, now movement is ready, jump is ready. He can also go between platforms. He can go down. He can go up. It depends on the player. So the base movement is now ready. The next thing is we need to create the. Okay, before that, I'll just say what my idea is. Now I don't really have a good level design for this. Okay, I mean, I plan in my mind. I'm going to freestyle this. Basically, for the first level, the torch is going to be like here. Okay, and this is the platform we are right now standing. You know, the player is standing, so this is where he is. You know what? Just draw it like this, and this is player. Oh my god, I hate this. And these are the torches. There will be a ton of torches, which will be symmetry, not like this. Okay, but yeah, you get the gist. Okay, so torch, god. You know, the god is controlling all the blah 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 whatever. So next, we're gonna have a bunch of platforms. What? Where did the tool go? Oh, okay. So it's gonna have like multiple floors, and these are the platforms. So the projectiles will randomly shoot for where the player is. So if right now the player is over here, it will go this way. Okay, it won't follow the, or it won't hover. What was right? Yeah, it won't follow the player. It will just go to the, when the fireball or the torch fire spawned, that particular time it will take the player's location and it will shoot through that straight line. And this will be random, and I'm not going to give a random time. I'm going to give an interval for now, maybe 2 at a time or something like that. But yeah, maybe I'll give like a interval like 0.5 to 1 second. Yeah, that will be fun. That will actually be fun. Or even no seconds, 0 to 1. That will also work. So this is the base idea. Now we create a movement. The next thing is we need torch system. You know, we need to work on this one, because once that's ready, the main gameplay part is ready. After that, there are a few more things I needed. What you may ask, which is just a second. I will eat and say. Okay. We're going to have 3 important systems. Okay. One is a dodge. Another one is teleport. Third one is I have not even had it, but I was thinking of something like a shield, but maybe I'll think of different one, or maybe go with it. So what does dash do? So I will have probably like the left shift. I'm also thinking of doing this in a controller, so maybe I will import that as well later. So yeah, this is the dash ability. You can just dash forward wherever you're facing. You can dash it. We need to do some animation for it, but yeah, that's the dash. And the next one is teleport. This is like more like a rod of Discord. If you played the Terraria, you will know what a rod is. You just basically, wherever your mouse is, if you like press there, you will directly teleport there. But it will have a range. It won't be like infinite range. Like you can be over here and you can teleport here. No, that won't work. It will have like a range or something. So from here you can like press here. You can go like that easily. It's just like, yeah, you know, and these things will have cooldown, okay, and also a shield. So player will have a shield. He can probably tank one hit directly, and then he will. Okay, we should not have the shield like this. It will probably over his body, which I will say, and he can take one hit free, and yeah. So that will do the abilities part, but I'm not really focused on abilities right now. It's like, you know, after I finish the gameplay, I will do that. This will be good, yeah. And what should I do next? Oh my god, I forgot to record this. I've been creating a YouTube video as well and I forgot to record. Maybe I'll take the stream word later and I'll edit it. So this is the game. The game, that's all. All you have to do is dodge around, like, out of millions or whatever it is, you need to dodge at least 95. And yeah, that's it. Also, game will have 3 modes: easy, medium, and hard. Basically, nothing. Only the loud design will change. So this is the easiest. So all you have to do is worry about this side, because every single torch will be spawning from here. Medium, I was thinking of maybe having 2 sides at least, just one over here. I'm not going to keep it top. It's going to be very, very hard then. But either in this side, because perpendicular will be way considerably easier than that, and hard you will have literally every 4 sides and even in the middle. So you will only have like way around these things. So that's it. And yeah, actually I finished it in hard mode in Terraria. Yeah, I'm pro. I'm good at video games. Yeah, I'm Elden Lord. Yeah. So yeah, this is the base game, and yeah, we are ready to go. That's enough chattering. So now let's work on the torch system. Oh shit. Okay. So what I need is basically we need few torches. And let's just go to Unity Asset Store and find this. Okay. Oh, this looks good. Kind of like the torch, but if I go this good, I need to make the particles as well good. Does he have particles? Okay, these are the torches. Ambience effects. What are those? I have no idea. Oh yeah, over here. Prefabs are ready to be used out of box. Simply drag and drop them into the scene. One shader, one texture for all 3D props. Okay. 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 I'll check if there's anything else. Oh, we have okay, bro. I probably would love to have this, but yeah. Okay, now what? We are going with this. And I might use that if VFX if it works, okay. Well, I'm not too worried about how the game looks, you know. I just want to create a complete project. Of course, I know for a fact it will look good. Yeah. You know, as a freestyle, the freestyling is good. Actually, it's actually very good. Oh God, I'm hungry as well, man. Damn. Okay. Oh, okay. So we just go to rendering. We just go to render pipeline converter. Blah blah. The heck. Wait, was it not for? Good thing he said that. Readme package. Assets, shaders, and double click on it. There are no shaders, buddy. What do you mean? Am I dumb or what? Oh, why is it opening my... Thank you. Equilibrious Priest. Yeah. Average Elden Ring gameplay movement. Okay, why am I seeing this now? Please. How do I even do this? You know what? I don't care. There's nothing really there, so I don't really bother it. We add to my asset. Accept. No, I think I have my Opera as my main thing. I mean, I use Opera ever since then. So, that's something. I forgot to import it, right? Yeah. I don't know if this is the right way. It will affect everything, man. But yeah, let's see. Import a desired render pipeline by double clicking on it. Blah 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 blah. Why is there two? Why is there two? Don't give me the standard package URP. Yeah, I think this one probably. Yes, it works. Oh my god. Easy, man. Easy. All you have to do is the readme. Yeah. Okay. Where's the fire? I see no fire. No, back. No, it's not working. What? Oh, it works. Oh, what? Okay, so why is it on fire? Not a torch. There's no fire. Oh, this has fire. This has the particle things. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. But I don't need this too much. It's too much to distract. Probably lag my game, so I'm not gonna do that. So we have to create something. Holy! Can I just use candles instead, because I feel like candle will be less consuming particle. Yeah. This may not be the best, but this is the one I think will be good. So what I need to do is, no, I need to do this. No, what? Why does he have that as? Oh my god, are you kidding me? No, it's a totally different. Oh yeah, yeah. Why though? Why though? Why not? Oh my god, why is this not something? I don't need you, buddy. I don't need the top part. And this is good because. Oh shit, damn, this is not good. The thing is, where is it? This is good because I can just do this and it looks like the fire is gone. But in candle, you can't have this. If this is there, it's still lighting, just it's not giving any colors. But seems like we are not attracted to go with this. Oh, so what if I do this? Not that. Okay, this is what I needed though. So now it just, all I have to do is just rotate, not this way. You can just make it look at the player and it can go like this. Shit, I mean it's in the opposite direction, but yeah. So if it's like here, it will come to the player like this, looking good. So yeah, I think like I will go with the torch. Okay, so for this, for this I also have to have sort of the same thing. Okay, I mean that can work. I can work with that. So what if I need to go to reset this? And if I do that, it should be wrong. Yeah, frick, I don't need you. Okay, is this working the way I expected it? I just don't want any errors, man, or anything going wrong. Okay, perfect. Now before I put it in the place, let's do some things. Okay, so there are 10. Now every time a game starts, I was an idiot. You can call me for it. I won't even say no to it because I'm a dumb idiot. First what I'll do is I'll unpack this completely. Name this as torch. I will go to my prefab, which I don't even have. So I'm gonna create one. And we're gonna go here and put this torch into our prefab. And now I'm going to do this. So this is a decent good way, I think, because now you don't have to work with the guy game. So now you have that prefab in use. Now if you can change this, it won't affect the real one. So if you messed up somewhere, if any error comes, you can still put that and redo it. But if you do it in the same thing and then apply all that prefab, then it's going to be a problem, buddy. It's going to be a big problem. 8, 9 and 10. Wait, why is my YouTube studio not here? Please, YouTube studio, always be there for me. Thank you. Damn, it's too quiet. Wait, did I finish eating everything? What? Oh no, it's over here. Oh, just I'll take a juice and come by. I'll be back in a second. Just a second. Okay, I'm back. Yep, I am back. So there are 10, right? Yeah, there is 10 now. What I am going to do is, I'm going to clear couple more. Oh my god. We're going to go to managers, we're going to right click, create an empty path. Oh no, we are going to, no. Yeah. So let's name it as torch manager. Go to our scripts. We're going to create a torch manager. Oh my god, how dumb I can be. Can I be? Did I really do this? Oh my god, why did I even leave a space there? God, I hate this. I hate this. You know what? Close. I don't need you guys. I don't need you right now. I also don't need you. Like, bleed melts completely indeed. Yes, I have to play with Elden Ring, man. What are you guys doing without playing Elden Ring? Imagine. Couldn't be me. Hey, what did I come to do? I totally forgot. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Why did I name it like this? What? I don't do this often. What? Should I just leave it? But this is... Don't leave gap like this, man. Just make sure it's a single limb. Don't... Yeah, I have no idea why I left the space. I won't do that. I never leave a space over here, but... You know what? It triggers me a lot. Will this work though? Since they're both the same thing, I think it will work. Probably. Not sure. If it didn't work, I'll change it. I'll create a new, and it's not a too big of a deal. So I mean, it works. So yeah, it works. So now we have a torch manager. Okay, so we go to the torch manager, and now we're gonna first get all the reference of the torches. So we are gonna do a public list of games object. Oh my god! And we're gonna say torches. So now we have all the torches, and I don't need you right now anymore. I don't even don't pin me. Okay, the heck? Where did it go? Oh, because he did this. Now I need to copy all these three. Go here. Oh my god, sorry, excuse me. So now we got all the things. So what we're gonna do is, first there are two things we can do now. Either once we came into a lobby, we can give a timer or something, 3, 2, 1, then make it spawn. But for now, I'm not gonna keep time. So what I'm gonna do is public. No, not a public. You can just do a void start, I guess. Okay, now this is where we need to use our full brain. So basically I need to have the prefab of that as well then in that case. What can I do there? Okay, before I start I'll just say this. How do I create a new? No, I want to do something below this. Paint, can you tell me how to do that? No, what, I'll just do this. Okay. So, there are torches. You know? Oh god, this is gonna take a while. No, let's go to this. So, there are multiple torches, okay? Let's just assume these are the torches. What I'm going to do right now is two things. First, in every single torch, we have to turn the VFX off. Or, this is one way. We can either turn it off, spawn a new one over there, and make that one go to the player. This is one of the stupidest way I thought first time. I don't know why I did it. Because I can just take this and make it go there. Why do we even need to spawn it? Okay. So, we are going for that. Now, for I have no idea how to. I mean, I know how to get it to the player, but if the player move, it should not just go here and stop. It just need to go there and collide with some wall or something. So it needs to go infinite. So how do I do that? That is something. Okay, so basically first, let's actually first turn off those things. So you know what? Anyways, we need to get the reference for those. So we have the reference for this. So this is the entire one. So if I just get the child, yeah, if I get the child, everything is good. Yeah. So torches. Do I even need torches? No, I don't even need the torches. So torches. So I'll just directly get the particles then. I don't even need the torch game object. So since we are not going to move them or do anything with this, we're just going to take the particles anyway. So at start I'm going to say shoot at player. You know, I will again change it later. So void shoot at player. What the heck is code identifier? No way. So now we create a function. So this function will be called at the start. What I need to do is we need to randomize first, because I don't want like the first one, then the second, the third. No, I want it to be randomized. So this is messed up. How do I do it? I mean, I know how to get a random one from this, but then the random is used. So I need to remove it. Should I remove it? What do we do? Should I random it or what? What should I do? I'm just thinking of ways how we can proceed with this. Yeah. What I can do is randomize one thing. Okay. For now, I'll turn that off. Okay. We know that game object, so we'll just turn that game object off instead of going to the place. Let's go step by step. So let's just turn it off. So first we need to get a random, then turn it off. Frick. I keep saying the same thing. Okay, so let's just do it. So get random particle, no, torch. Okay, so let's use this function, and what we're going to do is void get random torch. You may ask like why I am getting multiple things, because I know multiple functions, because shoot, I hate having multiple things in my start. So I'll just keep one main function, which is like a main thing to happen in the start, because it only going to happen in the first frame. So From here, shoot will have multiple. Okay, this will have multiple functions as well, and from that you will go. This is like a good way to like clean, or you can easily understand what you can. But the naming is important. My naming is bad. Okay, I will just say my naming is bad, but still I can understand it. Only I'm the only one who is going to see it, so it's not really a big problem. Damn, I'm in a stream for 1 hour 25 minutes. Wow, time flew, man, and most of the time I was eating, so yeah. Okay, now so now this will give me 1, correct? Yeah. Okay, I'm actually thinking of something, so why not serialize that? So I can check it whether this is working. So now I will get 1 number over here. Okay, now the one thing I'm scared is, okay, after shooting, after a thing goes, then I will loop it again. Yeah, no, this is good, this is good, this is good. So we will get the random one over here. Okay, after that, particle turn off. Okay, you know what, for now I will turn it off. Void, because I know for a fact there is a lot more to do. This is not just like that. You may think like, oh, you got random. No. There's a high chance that if I turned off one particle, again it will turn off the same thing, because it's 0 to count. I'm not even removing that, so that will be a problem, which is I'll come to it in a moment. Okay, don't worry. But for now, let's just make the base. So we are gonna particle turn off. What we're gonna do is, we got the random int. Okay, random particle number. Okay, and this is also that. So what we're gonna do is just touch particles of set dot set active to false. So now it should turn off, but it will only happen once because we are only calling the should play function once. So after being turned off, I'm gonna call it again, so it's gonna go for infinite times. Now the thing is, everything will go in like a second, I guess. Oh, okay, it didn't even go, because I know why, because I'm a dumb idiot. Where the hell is the task manager? Where the hell are these things? I didn't even give this. Oh, but this will be a problem, since I should have got it in a good way, but yeah, you know what. Oh, yeah, it doesn't matter which way I go, but yeah. I'm gonna do it. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. And we're gonna select everything. I'm gonna just put it over here, that's it. Touch particles over here. Yeah, boy. Okay, now we play it. Good, everything is turned off. Now this is not what we need though. What we need is probably, A timer. So yeah, instead of calling it like this, should I make a coroutine? That can work. So I'm still thinking about it. Okay, don't worry. I'm just thinking about like, can I really like start any other way? Because I personally hate using coroutines. It seems like we have to use it. I think it's coroutine of should player. I forgot the syntax though. Then we need to make it I numerator MERATOR. Freak, I forgot the thing. Wait, let's Google that. Coroutine Unity. Coroutines. No, not Unity land, not Unity land, not Unity land. Keep going to Unity land. Damn. So enumerator, yeah, function call. Good. So coroutine, no, start. Oh, it's start coroutine. Okay. So we do a start coroutine. Should player. Okay. Then what am I missing? Private enumerator. Wait for. Oh, we need to send a float. But why do I need to send a float? I don't need to send anything. Oh, this is a function, bruh. Okay. Why is there two references? So because I have one over here as well. Let's remove that for now. So what I need to do is first call the start code. Why am I starting a coroutine in a start function though? Wait, I actually need to think about this because I kind of don't know how. I mean, like I kind of like messy on how coroutine works. I literally worked on it like 2 days ago, and I'm still like confused now. Okay, I can look. We need to return something. What the hell did I just do? So let's give it a start. So now it waits for some second, then does it. So first it does this, comes here. Good. Should I start coding 2 times then? No, I'm confused. You know what? I'll check this with ChatGPT if this is right or is it going to say something else. Because I'm kind of confused here. Should we like do it twice or something? ChatGPT. Just send it. Let's see. See, disable touch, not script. So these are things we need to keep in mind. But for me, right now, that's not something I'm worried about. So what I'm doing is going to do it in the start, then That's it. Bro, what? I'm confused. Wait, where did I use my coroutine like recently? I I'm teaching my friend a zombie game. I used coroutine there, but I totally forgot where I used it though. Okay, so basically what happens is we are starting a coroutine. Okay, if something is true, let's just say the while loop is true, we are gonna get delay and we are gonna wait for a few seconds. Then we are getting an index and not -1. Then we are gonna set active to false. What is this? Oh, here it is. Okay, so here we are getting the random. So you're getting list out. Oh, here he's like doing that thing. Okay, good. But yeah, all touches are good. And random 0 to comma indices return the thing. So he's returning it and is that how coroutine works? Oh, that's why he said while true. Oh, makes sense. That makes sense. But when will the while be false though? When will the while be false? Oh, okay. Okay, that's something. So what happens if I don't do this though? You know what, let's just check one by one. Okay, no, this won't work. This will only work at one time. So basically what we need to do here is, this is good, okay, this is correct. We are gonna wait some time. You know what, doing a while loop is good. So while something is true, do this. Huh. We don't care about this. We did this, we are here, okay. He's getting a random and he's waiting. That is this too, okay, good. He's having a while loop which I'm not using it yet because I'll come back. Now he's getting a torch index, okay. He's getting this one, but he's getting it and he's creating a function called get random active torch index. List of active torch index is equal to new list. Okay, he's creating a new list. I is equal to 0, he's getting I less than that. If torch particles are I dot active self. I got a message, just a second. The heck? Who the heck messages me? Why do I keep getting messages? Damn, too much pain, bro, too much pain. So yeah, this is good, I guess. Okay, so yeah, I think I don't know what this active cell does. Local active cell of game object true if active, false if inactive. Read only. The local active self of the game object which is set using game object set active. Oh, that is a good way. Okay, that is one way. Okay, what he does is touch particle I that active self. If it's active, okay, if it's true, I mean like if it's active to true, then active indices of dot add. So we are adding that over here. Oh, so he's literally creating a new entire list, and he's adding every single thing. And then what he is doing is if this indices count is 0, the whole list is 0, then he's returning 1 -1. So everything will touches off. Or if it's not, he's doing this random range, there is, and he's getting a random. So he's not working with the main one. He's just using the adding these things, and he's using this indices as a thing. Okay. So what happens is he will get here. If not equal to -1, do this. Good. This is perfect. But my code doesn't work like this because I'm not self. I'm not doing this, bro. I'm not. It's more like it goes forever, just once. You don't even need it anymore. Once it's like gone, it's gone. I want to remove it from it. So we need to use a different method for this. This won't work for us, but this is something good. But I still don't understand when the while will be false. It's kind of like I have no idea when it's getting false. Let's ask ChatGPT. When will while be false? Because I don't know, but I have no idea. While true means the loop will never end on its own. Correct. It's an infinite loop which keeps executing until something extra. Yeah, exactly. This doesn't even stop. Yes, it's an infinite loop. Correct. Because we are not making. This is never false. This is always true, man. Okay, that's something. God damn. This is a lot to take in, buddy. And I actually want to finish the start setup at least for now. Then I will go. But for now, I really need to finish the start setup. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to create a new list every single time. But this time, what I'm going to do is why don't I just remove it from the main list? But that won't be. Will it be a good idea? Maybe not. Probably not. I'm just God, my brain is not braining. Anyway, so let's let's do this then. Okay, so first we are waiting. Okay, good. This is needed. We can actually check. We can remove one by one. But if I do a dot remove, will it be none? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna set active to false. Then what I'm gonna do is dot. There's no remove. What? Torch as particle dot the number dot. Is that an add? No. What the hell? Am I doing it wrong? Ah, I am doing it wrong. Yeah. Torch particles of I, which is a game object. Oh, I need to remove from this. Heck. Bruh, what? Am I dumb? What? I can't remove it. Okay, what if I dot add particles dot remove of this would work, I guess. I was dumb though. So now it should remove, but I'm not sure if it will remove or it will just like keep it as a none. If it removes from the list, it will be good because every single time the count will increase. But if it's like none, then it's probably a pain. Oh, never mind. It's not none. Good. It was none. Oh, this is good. This is good. We're making progress. Perfect then. Bro, that's it. I think that's it. Look at this. Yeah, that's it. I mean, it's an infinite loop, but still, everything is on. One is off. That's it. Ta-da! What we needed. Perfect. So, while I hate while, but okay. Torch particles of I not I, bro. That count not equal to 0. I think so. If it's not 0, do all these. I think that's how it works. Probably, I'm not sure. Okay. I want to see if this works. So, yeah, I don't even need to do this, but I don't even need to do this, but I will do this. Okay, actually that's it. Start loop and we're gonna end loop. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, you know what? Just checking it. So with this, I think it's done. Actually, it's done. If I'm not wrong. Oh, we need to stop the quarantine. Okay, so I have to check it over here then. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, you know what, you call million times, I don't really care. I don't know why I kept that over there, but yeah. So now here I actually don't like this. It's too much of words. It's actually, I don't like that, but yeah. So if torch particle dot count double equal to, if it's 0, jajak, else jajak. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna stop the quarantine. I think do I even need to do a stop? You know what, I'm not going to do this yet. I want to see whether it will give me any error or something. I'm just curious because I'm not even doing the coroutine anymore. So also, is it really good? I think it's wrong. For some reason I feel like it's wrong. Yeah, we need to stop it. So stop all coroutines. Place. Oh my god. Okay, this is actually what I needed, by the way, though, which is nice. I like the speed because there will be hundreds and you have to dodge 95 of them. Actually, that is way too fast. Let's have it. Okay, I don't want. This is for testing purpose. The max I'm gonna do is 2 seconds. Perfect. So this is good. This is working. This is what we needed. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, once it is chosen, I want it to fire. Okay. So particle turn off. This is not going to be a particle shoot. Let's change it. Shoot at player. Okay. We will copy this. We will paste this. So now the manager is ready, which is bad for some reason. I don't like this. Why do I even need this then? Just for one line. Do I even need to use this for one line? Get random touch. You know what? Why not? But yeah, this works. This is perfect for us. I will just ask ChatGPT, like, this is this good. Frack. This works. How it looks. Still upload. You're on the right track with your updated torchgod. Good. Good job. Progressing it. But there are cleanup. Yeah, because I want to clean up. Yes. So it loops through the torch part game and disables them one by one with random delay. It removes each torch from the list after preventing reselection. It stops code routine when no touches are nice, safely handling. Good. You're restarting the code routine inside itself. Okay, this is something I wanted. Yeah, but you're already inside the code routine. Since you are using a while loop, did I? Why the fuck did I have that? When did I have that? Did I actually have it? Also, how do I? Oh, please, I want to learn something. Wait. Format. Easy. Okay, that was actually good. I thought I was not going to get it. So while particles. No. What happens now though? So he's telling me don't use it inside. Oh, frick, I was dumb. But when do you stop it though? So you're telling me I don't need these things. And if I just do a while, touch particles dot count less than or equal to 0, then I do all these things. Is this what it's trying to tell me though? I think this is what it's saying. Also, why was there 3 lines? Select a touch. Yeah, this is the good way to do it. Select a touch. Okay, so let's check it. Nothing is happening. What? Oh, because I'm an idiot. It should be greater than or greater than. It should not be less than, because it's never less than at the start. So now it's good. Okay. Okay, that works. That's a bit clean. That's a cleaner. We don't need these lines then. Good. Okay, bruh. Torch particles. I can't do this. If I know this will be one line and this will be one line, so yeah, it's good. It's good this way. So this is a bit good, bit clean than the one. Okay. How is this? Almost very close. What? That's better remove. You are accessing the list twice with the random particle number, which is unnecessary and a little messy. If a random particle number ever gets modified unexpectedly due to okay, that's actually correct. Oh, that is why he is doing this. What is random particle number? Brad. Oh, remove what? Random, cleaner and more direct. So instead of removing, remove what the hell does that even do? Use remove instead of remove object, which is slightly faster and less. That's neat. So he's saying that touches particle dot remove at, and he's just saying we need to put there a number over there, so it will be very fast than what I did before. So is that what he said? Is this what he means? I think so. We are learning, buddies. We are learning. So it's we're just trying to. He says it's a good way. Now why? Because it's way faster than it. Let's say having a big. Okay. It's actually not bad. Looking good. Kind of like good. Okay, it works. What does ChatGPT say now? Okay, he done it. Thank you so much. So we finished the basic of this. Now what we are gonna do is we need to shoot the particle. So here, before we, instead of setting this active false, we are going to start something. I'll tell you what it is. For that, we have to create something called as, how do we call it? Fireballs? You know what? Fireball. I mean, it's not fireball, but it's fire flame. You know what? Fire flame. Fireball is too common. Let's call it fire flame in our game. So the fire flame is the one going to come towards us. Now where will this fire flame be, you may ask? It's gonna be over here. Then what we are gonna do is we are gonna click the torch to remove this, go to override. Frick, I am so dumb. I'm so dumb. And this is taken there. Yes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the fire flame over here. Now go to torch and I'm going to apply this, so everyone will have the fire flame. Great. So what should we do? We got a fire flame now. What is this fire flame? So this is the script which will work only when this is true. Okay, when this happens, when whatever particle gets selected, only then that particle should move. So I'm going to create a fire flame, and I'm going to give a let's say a boolean, why not. So let's call a public bool can follow player. Oh no, it's not going to follow. Can shoot shoot at player. Okay, this is a public one. So what I'm gonna do is, if you go to torch manager, you're getting it set active to false. We're not gonna do that. What instead we are gonna do, var temp is, well, let's get a temporary variable. Okay, is equal to torch particle of this one. Okay, and dot get component. What we are going to get, we are going to get the new script. So fire flame. Now I can actually do this in one variable, like I can little set it for true over there, but no, I'm just going to do it like that. Okay, so I mean, like, what I meant was okay, I'll say it. Okay, so shoot player 0 2. So what I really wanted to maybe I can just do this, control C, and dots shoot player is equal to true. We can do it in one line, but just for like, it's a bit of clean, good way to do it. So probably, or maybe if I need to modify this or add something more, maybe I can do this instead of like giving it one more time. I can just use the temp variable to do this. So this is good. So once it's true, it's not even that, we don't care about it anymore. So when this guy is true, so at start this guy is going to be false. Okay, if it's true, we're going to do something, and we are going to make it go in a straight line from its position to the current player position, no, at that particular time player position, and just goes in a straight line just like that. I hope you can understand me there. Oh my god, if we finish this, actually the core game is actually finished. Then we have to work on the level design, and damn, that's it. Easy peasy. Then I will actually keep the abilities like to another time. Not right now, I'm not really in a mood for it now, because I have to like see some tutorials to see how it goes, or maybe we can even watch it, we can see how they do it. But yeah, it's for another time. For now, it's just this. So let's finish this. Okay, so what I need to do is, if this is true, so let's just do it in an update. So, but is it good to do an update? Answer is no, because there will be hundreds and hundreds of things. Doing it in update will be a bit laggy. So what can we do? Okay, first let's do this. Okay, so void update. If shoot at player double equal to true, then shoot at him. So also I'm gonna get this. Okay, so we are going to get a serialize field, transform player. So we just need to get it one time. Okay, so that's something we need to worry about. How to do that? I can call a function actually. So public void get player transform. Okay, so what, I'll just say y. So current player position is equal to do I have his thing over here? No, I don't even have it. I need to get his position. Now there are multiple ways to do it, but the way I usually do is getting a reference of the player in a manager. I'm not going to have it in a level manager. I need a game manager for it. Game manager is like I created it for like settings and everything. Basically every game needed things, but yeah, so I'll create that. So we're going to create an empty, call it game manager. This is like the god manager actually. This is like the god mode of the managers in my thing. So you know what, since he's a god, let's keep it up. So we're gonna go to mono behavior script. We say game manager, and then we're gonna put this over here. frick, it was not yet finished compiling. Oh, that's an error. Jeez, can you not please? Thank you. So let's put this over here in the game manager. Good. So what I'm going to do here is just remove all this. Public game object break. No. So we're gonna game object player. Now this is gonna be game object. Maybe then I need to get a transform like that. Okay, so we will get the player over here, and we also need this as an instance. So public static game manager instance, then just for safety void awake if instance double equal to null, instance equal to this. Okay, good. So now what I'm gonna do is here current player position is equal to game manager, no, game dot instance dot player dot transform dot position. No, I just need a transform. So now we got that player transform. Okay, good. Now this will have play transform, and once it's done, when we are going to call it, good. So we are going to go to torch manager here. Great, we created this. So we are just going to say temp dot. No, we can't say shoot it first. We need to first have this above it. Okay, so because if shoot it is true, it will start working and it will give an error. So we need to first get the reference. So temp dot not shoot it player. What was the name? Get play transform. So we can get the play transform here, and after it we will keep the shoot at play true. And if it's true, all we have to do is shoot to the current player position. That's it. Easy. How am I going to do that? Okay, I'm actually kind of like, let's just chat GPT because I kind of not really have any idea. Perfect. Now once it's set active, I need this fire flame to move a player. Now the player keeps moving, so if it reach the player post, you're almost there to make the flame fire continue even the player keeps moving. You need shoot a player in current position not equal to null. Good. Transform the position is equal to vector 3 or move towards. No. I don't want it to follow him. Just in his last position when I shoot, I want my flame to go there and should keep moving and not stop. So I need to keep it moving. I don't want it to show. Capture the current. We done it. Then the flame goes towards the fixed position. Even the player keeps moving. The flame should not stop once it reaches the target. It should keep going in that direction. Yes. So shoot at player. Transform the position plus equal to target direction. Okay. We are getting the player target position. What is player transform? What the hell is a player transform? Transform player transform. Store the direction once. He's getting a vector 3. Target direction is equal to target position minus target transform position. I don't understand setting. Direction set is equal to true. What the hell is a direction set? Okay, should I play it true? So he's doing the shooter player over here instead of doing it there. Actually, that is perfect. Let's just like, if this takes a bit time and this works, it's gonna be an error. So it's better to like, yeah, doing it there. So go here, and after getting the transform, we are then only gonna do shooter player is equal to true. Okay, this is good now, but that is not what I am here for. So he's having a target vector 3, so that is the target direction. So he's getting a target position which is a vector 3, minus transform position dot normalize. Okay, so what he's doing is he's getting the transform over here, right? So now he is also doing a vector 3 target vector is equal to current player position dot, I think it's position, right? Yeah, now I have the vector. So then what he does a target direction, that is a vector 3. Okay, so serialized field vector 3 player direction. No, so what he is doing is player direction is equal to target vector minus transform dot position dot normalized. Why normalized? I don't know. So he is doing that. I will do it. So transform position is equal to target direction into speed and something. Okay, so we need a serialized for speed. So serialized field, and we're gonna give a float speed is equal to 2f for now. I'll change it later over there. Okay, actually I will just remove this. Or we can do, I don't want to waste time over there. Okay, so now that works. It should is true, normalize, then transform the position plus equals player direction into speed into time dot delta time, right? Time dot delta time. So this should work probably. So what really happens is when it comes, it gets the player's transform. With that player transform, we can get its vector, which then we can use it to get the whichever direction is facing from our touch and shoot at the player is true, then make that thing go there. Okay, let's see how it goes. So every single thing should go to him. I'll actually kind of like move and see whether that works. Oh, it won't work. That will give an error. Good thing I saw that. Should I give this or this? Actually, I think I need to give this. Okay, so human, oh shit. Okay, so go here, play. Oh, it's setting active, so I forgot to turn it off. My bad. Okay, now it should. Let's see. I just don't want it to stop. I just need to keep going no matter what. I'll do the conditions later, like if it collides there, then break it out. That's all. Those are easy stuff. This is the part we need to work on. Let's go. So everything is going the way we needed, I guess. So yeah. Yes. See, perfect. Good, we did it. Now the base is ready. Now all we have to do is we have to create this layer over here, then make conditions like if it goes in a border wall or hits him, then we need to go. Well, I think I'm going to take a break, man. It's been like how many hours? So it's been 2 hours. I can still go, but you know, it's been my first stream. My friends were like, all are playing games, so you know, I'm just gonna visit them, you know, play a game and some maybe stream a bit later again. Cause you know, this is a fun project. I like it. We've been so close. I still need to work on the particles. I need to make their rotation and all. But yeah, we did good. So it's actually good. I'm actually learning a lot. I improved a lot. So these things I understood how this works. Then we saw which is better. You know, we learned a new thing. Where is it? We learned a new thing called remove art. How it's better than just removing the object from the list. This is like a better way to do it. So this is one good thing we learned. Then we did learn a good depth of how coroutine works. That's good. So yeah, that's a good bit of learning and a good bit of progress in this small game. So yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys my next stream. Bye bye.